Hello guys, YouTube channel. On this channel it's about forex trading, crypto trading, and also binary trading. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you a strategy about matches, so make sure you watch this video until the end. So for this strategy we are going to look up to 3 consecutive digits with the highest percentage. So for this one we have 2 and also we have 9. So the next one which have it's following yani the third one, it's 8 because it has 10.3. It's matching with 4. So 4, it's the third one. So we have 2, we have 4, and also we have 9. So for this strategy we are going to check 3 consecutive digits with the highest percentage, and also they have to be gaining power. And also the most appearing digit are the one with a be at least 12% for this strategy to work. So for this volatility we are going to ignore it, because as you can see here 9 has 11.5%, but we can choose to wait for it to go to 12% so that we can find a digit to match. So if you find a digit with 12%, let's say 9 is 10%, to match the digit you have to digit with the highest percentage. So for this one, let's say we did choose 2, although you can see 2 was at least 11 point something and it was going down, but at least here it's gaining power. So we are going to choose to match with 2. So for the entry point, we are going to wait for this cursor to touch the percentage, the digit with the highest percentage, which is more than 12%. So for the ticks, you can choose to use 1 tick, but I usually recommend you can use a bot. And bot, it's not a must you buy, you can choose to create your own. I have a previous video how to create a simple bot of any volatility, like any market, over, differs, matches, rise and fall, like without completely relying on those bots that you are being sold online. So we are going to change our index, like the volatility, to see if we are going to get a market that has a 12%, the most appearing digit with the 12%. Yeah, so let's see. So this is a good market. You can see this one have 12.8%, although it's smart recommended with 12.1 going upwards. We have 7 with 11.5. This one is the second, and also we have 0 as the third one. So we can choose to match with 7. So let's change our digit here and see how it goes. So we are going to wait for the cursor to touch 6, and then we click matches. So let's just wait. We can choose to use 1 tick. So let's try first with the 1 tick and also 2 ticks. So let's see. Oh, my internet is delaying too. Okay, let me with 3 ticks and then we go match. So we are waiting for the cursor to touch 6 and then we click on matches. But as when I'm observing this one, 0, it's gaining power compared to 7. Like the third digit with the highest percentage. And also you can see 6, it's going down, meaning it's sharing its percentage with this digit. So let's see. So that's how the digits for matches and differs, changes within a span of a few seconds. So let's see. It has delayed. So guys, go try this strategy for matches and then come back to my videos and comment. Bye. Keep tuned for my next strategy.